Hi guys, I thought I'd take this opportunity to introduce you to the Rolling Thunder workshop staff. I know everyone doesn't get to see behind the wall very often, so I thought I'd introduce you to everyone that's working on your motorbikes. I'm Isaac, I run the workshop and I'm usually front of house, but I'm sometimes behind the wall as well, and I'll take you through and introduce you. This is Cara. This is the person you'll see most often when you're booking your bike and dropping it off, or have most queries. Cara's worked here for a few years and she rides a night train and a massive Harley enthusiast. Alright, because you're not allowed behind the wall, we're key coded now, so if you want to get through you have to see one of us. Make sure everyone hasn't run away to get away from the camera. This is Malcolm. He's worked on Harleys for years. He's our master tech and loves everything to do with Harleys. Come around here. We have Lamar. Lamar's joined the team a few years back and he has come from a sports bike background. He's also worked on a Bahrain superbike team, so he's very knowledgeable. And last but not least, we've got our apprentice Logan. Logan's been around motorbikes all his life. He races, he breathes motorcycles, loves working on them, loves fixing them. So yeah, this is our team that's here today. The only two that are missing is Rennie, who is on holiday at the moment, and Ed, who is away as well. Rennie is a senior tech and Ed is our groomer slash road tester slash everything. That's all I've got today guys. Cheers.